Hey Broncos, in this video, I'm going to show you how to submit a PDF assignment using DocHub as a Google file. So here I have an example of an assignment that a teacher has created in PDF format that they want me to use or to complete using DocHub. So just like in the last video, I'm going to click on the pop-out icon to open the assignment. From the Open With drop-down menu, I'm going to select DocHub. Remember, if you don't see DocHub here, that means you need to go back and watch the video to make sure that you've installed the DocHub extension to your Google Chrome browser. I'm opening the document in DocHub, and now I'm going to look and see what I need to do. So I have a series of multiple choice questions, and I need to put my answer choice somewhere up here. So let's look at question number 1. Emily walked to the store, blank, she could get a soda. I think the answer choice is C. So I have several options. I have a text tool, a shapes tool, a highlighting tool, a comment tool, a whiteout tool, and a stamps tool. The one that makes the most sense to use here is the text tool. So I'll select the A for the text tool. And when I select the A, I'll see that my cursor has changed this plus sign with this little A following me all around. I simply move my cursor to where I need to type my text, and a dotted line will appear to help me line up my text. When I'm ready to type, I will click, and then I can type my answer. You'll notice that I just got the pop-up that says Document Saved. As you're working, DocHub, kind of like Google Docs, continuously saves your work. When I'm done typing, I go back to my pointer tool. If I need to move my text, I click on it again and click on the little cluster of dots to move the text around. If I need to change my answer or delete it, I click on the trash can. So let's say I'm done with this assignment. What I'll need to do now is click on the download or export arrow in the upper right-hand corner of the screen. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to download it to your Google Drive. I have another video that I've created that is titled the same as this video, but says File Upload. In that video, you see how to download it to your computer. So let's see how to export it to Google Drive. I'll click on Google Drive, and where it says Where, I have the option to go ahead and place it in a specific place in my drive. I highly recommend that you create some folders where you can keep your work for your various classes. So you can see here, I've created folders for all of my different classes. And this is an ELA assignment. So I want to make sure that this will go into my ELA folder. Select. Then I may need to change the title. I want to make sure that the title is something I'll be able to find easily in my drive. Then I'll click Export to Drive when I'm ready, and it will tell me that it's saved. If I click Show in Drive, it will show me where in the drive I saved the document, and I'll also be able to see that my answers that I typed in have saved. Now, I still have to go back and submit this in Canvas. So I'm going to go back to my Canvas tab and select Submit Assignment. Down here at the bottom, I have several different options, and I just saved this document to my Google Drive, so I'm going to select the Google Drive tab. When I select the Google Drive tab, I'll be able to see my drive here, and I have a couple options. I can search for the file since I know what I titled it, or I can go and find it in my class folder. Remember, I created these class folders. So here I see my simple and compound sentence practice. Again, another way that you can do this from the screen that pops up is type in the title. So I know it's called simple and compound sentence. And it will start to come up with things. I can see that this is the one that I just saved at 12:23 on September 29. So I'm going to select that file, select Submit, but I'm still not done. I can see that the file is attached here, and I still have to click the red Submit Assignment button. You might get a pop-up that says Canvas is currently processing your submission. This is okay. It's letting you know that you can safely move away from the page and that you'll get an email if there's any sort of problem with your submission. So you can click OK. And once your assignment is submitted, you'll see the submitted check mark and timestamp on the upper right-hand side of the screen. Thanks for watching, and go Broncos!